Came here to Huntington Beach to have a picnic with the family and decide to do a little bit of surf fishing. But unfortunately, we're here at a very low tide. The high tide was early this morning around 8 o'clock, about 8.5 foot, and right now it's a negative tide. So don't have much hope in terms of catching, but you can't beat the scenery here. It's just so beautiful.
We're watching a fisherman to see if he catches anything, but so far he hasn't. We're not holding out much hope either.
All right, we just got here. It's not. Oh, it's lunchtime already. It's 12:21. This is what retirement life is like. Look at that. All the retired people and one semi-retired. Look,
Life is tough.
life is tough.
Life is
Okay.
tough. Somebody got to do it.
Okay. Any other advice?
If you can retire, can afford to retire, go ahead retire. That's lifestyle working.
Yeah, I like that. I like that. You got some fish. Oh, bọc tí eh? Look at that.
Pile.
ពីផាមើលយាអ៊ីផ្សារឆ្ងាញ់ហ៎មាននំប៉័ងអូស្លគ្រីបងប្រកែធ្វើម្ហូបlook at that. Oh, look at that. A bucket of guava. We got some corn ready to roast later on.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the tilapia, persimmon, and look at that. Oh, man. Got some rice. Oh, this is a favorite. Pickle mustard.
Lunch had just ended when we started prepping dinner, sitting together and unshelling the bean sprouts we grew ourselves. They grow their own sprout because they believe the flavor is richer, and honestly, I have to agree.
Welcome to my kitchen.
Did you
Yeah, I fish. I lost one fish. I didn't even expect to catch anything because low tide. Um, yeah, and then my friend here caught a bad ray. That's
Hello,
it. That's
friend.
all the action.
Hello.
But we only fished for about what, less than an hour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hả? Ủa đi xa nhảy vậy?
With bean sprout and all.
Soups. Porridge.
Yeah.
Đi
Porridge.
mình tích điện á.
We're gonna have fun. Another meal has finally set, but you can still see the glow. And Catalina Island. You can see Catalina Island pretty clear from here. That's about 20 to 24 miles from the mainland. And here all the camper van. Everybody got one now. Except Pauline and I, we're still with our truck. Yep, our favorite.
Our truck, we can't let it go because it's served us well since 2003. We drove across country several times with this truck.
Yeah.
It's very reliable and we're very
Yeah.
sentimental.
Canada twice, Florida, Louisiana, Oklahoma. We've been to many places with this truck.
You mean that from Roy?
Looks pretty good, huh? Trong đọc tiếng Anh
From Roy.
From Roy say you
From
look
Roy,
eh?
We're fortunate to live near some of Southern California's most beautiful beaches, and now that many of us are retired, we make the most of them, especially on quiet weekdays when it feels like the shoreline is ours. Today was simply about spending time with families and friends, though Sam and his buddies still slipped away for a little fishing. They didn't catch much, but that's perfectly fine. We share home cooked food by the oceans, talking and laughing as the day unfolded. And as the sun glowed in the distance, I was reminded once again of how rare and precious these small, ordinary moments truly are.